Introducing the 2022 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, remote engine start, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, dual zone AC. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.